Suswagatam on this holy evening of Shivaratri as we do the 12th episode of Kala Samvada, Conversations on Art. We are fortunate to have with us renowned Carnatic vocalist Kalaimamani Charumati Ramachandran for giving a lecture demonstration on Raga Kalyani, the Empress of Ragas. Today being the day of Shivaratri, let us start by invoking Mahadeva. Namah Shivabhyam Jagadishwarabhyam Jagatpatibhyam Jaya Vigrahabhyam Jambhari Mukhyairabhivanditabhyam Namo Namah Shankara Parvatibhyam Namah Shivabhyam Paramaushadhabhyam Panchakshari Panchararanjitabhyam Prapanja Srishti Sthiti Samhritabhyam Namo Namah Shankara Parvatibhyam Sada Shiva Samarambha Shankaracharya Madhyama Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Now, let me proceed to introduce our guest artist. Kalaimamani Charumati Ramachandran is the senior-most Shishya of Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari and Prashishya of the legendary Carnatic musician Sri G.N. Balasubramanian. She blasted off on her academic achievements with a gold medal in BA Music from Madras University. In 2013, she was awarded the top grade from All India Radio, and she is an extremely popular radio broadcaster for almost 50 years. Charumati has been one of the mentors in the renowned Kalakshetra, Chennai. In the year 2006, she has been endowed with the prestigious Kalaimamani Award by the Tamil Nadu government. She also received Sangeeta Kalasagaram Award from Cleveland. She was selected for performance by Ministry of Culture for her project Kashi to Rameshwaram, showcasing 72 Kshetra Kritis of Muthuswami Dikshitar. May I welcome Kalaimamani Charumati Ramachandranji to enlighten our audience on today's topic, Raga Kalyani, the Empress of Ragas. Madam, over to you.
Namaste, Prabhavati ji. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, you are.
Good evening, everybody. And first and foremost, my thanks to Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth, the wonderful university which is replicating the Gurukula system of arts communication. And especially to Prabhavati, who has become a very nice and a good friend within a short period. I'm so happy about this university because in the changing times, when the whole world is topsy-turvy now, so we must give the youngsters a chance for the whole Gurukula type of learning, which we all went through. Like, I cannot say I did the exact Gurukula Vasam, but every day from age 12, I visited my Guru, Srimati M.L. Vasantakumari's house after school every day, and Saturday, Sunday also all the time with her, and traveling a lot with her for the outstation concerts, and also in the city, Madras City. It was known as Madras City in those days. I have gone. So I'm so happy to be part of this Chinmaya event. And I hope that our family, Trichu V. Ramchandra Padma Bhushan, and my daughter Shubhasri, Yuvakala Bharati, Shubhasri Ramchandran, and myself, I hope we can be having some close connections to this wonderful arts university, which is one of its kind, I think, or maybe a very few in this country are like this. So I think I can start off with the Kalyani Raga. I chose the topic as Kalyani, the Empress of Ragas, because, well, I felt that it is an Empress of Ragas. Kalyani never ceases to please us, isn't it? The very notes. Sari Gama Padani Sani Pamagari Sa. Such a pleasant raga. The name Kalyani itself is a very auspicious name. Kalyanam. We are familiar with Kalyanam. Vivaham. Kalyanam. Kalyana gunas. That means auspicious gunas. And wedding is known as Kalyanam because it is an auspicious event. So, auspiciousness is in the raga. It has been rightly named as Kalyani. It is a divine raga devata. Raga devata, that is, the raga is not a scale. Sari ga ma pa ga ri sa ri da pa ma ga ri sa. That is the scale. What gives the life to that raga? Especially South Indian music. Classical Karnataka Sangeeta. In Hindustani, the same notes will be Gari Niri Gari Gama Nida Pada Pama Gari Pama Gari Gari Niri Gama. They'll go like that, isn't it? But for us, we must have the Gamakas. Sarva Swara Varika Gamaka Rakti Raga. This is the Kalyani. See, why do they say Sarva Swaram? Does Sajjam also have a Gamakam? When you notice closely, see, Sajjam and Panchamam, usually we don't have Gamakams. It is an understood rule. But what about in Kalyani? When we Pa Pudikimboda, Pa, straight Pa Pudikamato. Pa, Pa, and the Mari Varnaka Abdi Varu. Ma Pa, Ma, Ma, Pa, Anuswara. Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ma. அப்போ பஞ்சமத்திலே லைட்டா ஒரு கமக்கம் வந்து ஒட்டிக்கிறது இல்லையா? அதுவே இந்துஸ்தானியில் அப்படி கிடையாது. இந்துஸ்தானி வேற மாதிரி தேகேவ் பா ஃபார் எவ்ரிதிங் தேகேவ் ஒன் ஃபுல் சங்கதி பா கா அந்த மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க இந்துஸ்தானியில். பட் கர்நாடிக்ல வேற மாதிரி. தென் அதே மாதிரி சஜ்ஜம் ச ச நீ ச நீ ச. when we sing the slow காலம் ஸ்வரம்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா? அப்படி பாடினாங்க அது கல்யாணி. இப்படி பாடினா அந்த ராக தேவத்தை வரமாட்டான். Beginners will sing like that. But so look at that, how the sajjam pamaga pa 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 maga பாமக அப்படி வருது. பாமக கரி சரி அந்த இதுல இருக்கே வர்ணத்துல இருக்கு. Take these varnams. வனஜாட்சி ஃபுல்லா கமக்கம் இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி வனஜாட்சி அதுதான் கரெக்ட் கல்யாணி. கரெக்ட் கல்யாணி பாடலாம். சில சமயம் நம்ம we can reduce the gamakas also. So Gandhara, we come to the Gandhara. First the Rishabha is like this. Sani sari re asikam kalyani. Ga playing ga is allowed also. Ni re ga both are allowed. Ma ma. See, it depends on what combination we are doing it. And these varnams in Kalyani are guiding us. Such a pleasant ragam. Supposing I just take a little bit of the alapana for the evening time. It is so suitable for evening. Now we can take the Gandhara as the Nyasaswara. Nyasaswara means we can stop on that. And we can also do some prayogas around that. Panchamatla, we can develop. These are all important prayogas. That is a type of gamaka. Spuritam. Veena players will know. Spuritam. இதெல்லாம் கல்யாணிக்கு ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும். ஸ்புரிதம் கொடுக்குறது. From Spuritam comes the Briga. Like that, we give the Brigas with the Spuritas. This raga has got very good scope. Very good scope. See, even in Panchamam we can develop. That is known as Jaru. Speciality of Kalyani. Sarjam, Panchamam, Varjam. Nirigama, not all the time. With Sarjam and Panchamam phrases, and also without Sarjam, Panchamam. See, supposing we sing some swaras. Ga 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 ri ri ga 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 ma ga ri sa ri ga with Sarjam. Ga 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 ri ri ga 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 ri ri ga 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 pa ma ga ri ni ri ga ma ga ri ni ri ga ma ra ma ga ri ni ri ga ma ra ri ga ma ga ri ni ri ga ma ga ri ri ga ma ga ri ni ri ga ma ga ri ri ga ma ra ma ga ri ga ri. It's a very important phrase, even in the Alapada. Gandharam in different ways. From upwards. Pamaga, Riga, Kiran Borgamaka Mere. From upwards, we get a different gamaka from Madhyama. Just in Gandharam, so many varieties we can show in Kalyani. And then look at this. So there is always a controversy among the Gharanas. Gharanas means schools of music in South India. In North, they call it as Gharanas. Here, they call it as the Guru Paramparas. So some Paramparas say, you should not stand in me in Kalyani. You should always do as Aprita Pandin Shobha. But according to our school, GNB school, we can do both GNB, MLB. MLB is my guru. And MLB's guru is GNB. See, GNB and MLB will sing like then அப்படி கொஞ்சம் பண்ணுவா. But some other school they insist like that. But look at the Varnam. We should go to the compositions. The compositions kitta ponale namakku vandu the raga swarupam will get the full raga swarupam. How many compositions are there in Kalyani? Now we did the Niluparani. Then காலத்துல வந்து நீ அப்படி கொடுக்க மாட்டோமே. That is not nice. There also it's limited. So the Bhagyakara has kept it as a limited nishada. Adu where style irukku. Different styles have different way of interpreting. Let us put it that way. My style is better than your style. This doesn't come. All the styles are beautiful because of the Guru Paramparas, establishment of the Guru Paramparas. Now let us take the compositions of the Bhagyakaras. And just mention, I will start from Purandaradasa. Purandaradasa, which was taught by my Guru, Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari. Dayamado Ranga, Dayamado Ranga, Dayamado Ranga, Dayamado Ranga, Dayamado, Dayamado, Niladasanalado, Dayamado Ranga, Dayamado. That is one. And then Nambi Ketavar Rillavo Rangaya Nilla Nambade Ketare Kedali. That is also Purandaradasa. Then we come to Annamacharya. Alamelu Margani Abhinavarupamu Jalajakshu Kalulaku Savulitse Mama. Ade Madri Amma Adla Vandade. That is dedicated to Alamelu Mangatayar by Talapakam Annamacharya. But like that we have Amma Ravamma. See, even Tyagaraja Swami and Dikshidhar and Shyamasatri, the Trinity, they are very recent. 17th, 18th centuries. Very recent people. That is why we have the bond with them. Because we lost so much of the other music. But they were in connection with their previous music. And then with their previous music. And before that. And before that. Purandaradasa was in touch with Vadiraja Swami. Isn't it? Where is the inspiration coming? Because it is like Vedas. Music is from Samaveda. Samaveda Didam Geetam Sanjagrama Pitamaha. Pitamaha have told it originates in the Vedas. And it is in Samaveda. When you hear Samaveda, you can see a lot of musicality in Samaveda, which is lacking in the other Vedas, that is Yajur, Rig, Adharvana Veda. 4 Vedas are there. Samaveda, there is a music there. Usually it will have only 3 notes, no, in the Vedas. It originated like that. Ni, sa, ri, sa, ri, sa, ri, sa, ri, sa, ri, sa. Only Udata, Anudata, Swarita. Only 3 notes in the Vedas. Developed into music. So where were we with the composers? Yes. Now let us take pre-Trinity. Gopalakrishna Bharati. Kalde Kalide. Today is Shivaratri. Kalde Kalide. Karunai Kadalai Naan. Karunai Kadalai Naan. Kalde Kalide. Karunai Kadalai Naan. Naan Kalde Kalide. Kalde Kalide. கருணை கடலை நான் கண்டேன் கண்டேன் கலி தீர்ந்தேன். எப்படி இருக்கு கோபாலகிருஷ்ண பாரதி. About Shiva being Shivaratri. Now let us take these compositions which are starting in the top Sajjam. Nayamadoranga, I already mentioned. Alamelu Margani Amarama Uma Tyagaraja. Amarama Uma Tulasoma. He has composed 5 kritis about Tulasi, the goddess Tulasi. Out of that, this is one. Amarama Uma Tulasoma Nanupalim Pavuma Satatamu Padamu Leno Vinanama Amarama. Then we have in Panchama, the compositions in Panchama. More than Panchamam. Well, a few are in Panchamam. Tyagaraja. Devara Madhudura Sri Rama Devara Madhudura. But majority are in starting in Gandhara. Gandhara is the Jiva Swara, one of the life-giving swaras of the Empress of Ragas, Kalyani. Before going into that composition, let us see what is Mecha Kalyani. Some of the participants may be asking, some of the students. In the Melakatha scheme, it is given as Mecha Kalyani, but you are just saying Kalyani because Kalyani came before Mecha Kalyani. Kalyani was already there. Why did they add Mecha Kalyani? To fit into the scheme of 72 Melakathas, to get the correct number, 1 to 72. So they added Hamuma Todi, Mecha Kalyani, for some ragas which did not have the correct Katta Payadi formula. That we can go into in another lecture, because this lecture is about Kalyani basically. As I was saying, Panchamam there is Evara Bududra. Gandhara, our own Swadhitina. Pankaja Lochana Pankaja Garisa Sasa Pankaja, tuned by Sri Shamaguri Srinivasaya Pitama. Pankaja Lochana Pankaja Lochana. நிறைய கமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காரு. Pankaja Lochana. These are very good prayogas. Raga Pamari Pamari. There is a rule that in Melakatta ragas, you can take anything like that, like that. Sagare Mada Pamada, everything is allowed. Saripa is allowed. Sapa, it's allowed. Gardi, Madi Samadi. Gardi, Gardi, Rita, Rita, Ida Madi Samadi. That means they are friendly. Samadi means friend. You can access it, not vivad it. Pankaja Lochana is beautiful. And the Nirmal there. Vrindavana Krita, Vrindavana Krita, Vividha Sukha Vihara, Vrindavana Krita. Titsani Sari Dapama Ramapadari Vrindavana Kreta Nida 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 Baba Pada Nida Baba Gama Pada Nida Baba Gani Nida Baba Gama 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 Gari Sari Sari Gama Dari Dari Sari Baba Dada Wala Kreta. Gandhara is the beginning. Pankaj Tyagaraja. Gama Papa Maga Ketavunada. Then we take Dikshita. Ganapate Mahamate Ganapate. There's Swarakshara. Ga. Dikshita is always for Swaraksharas. Gana, ga. In the ga itself, the Swarakshara. Swarakshara is when the Swaram and the Sahityam are the same. Ganapate Mahamate Gauri Kumar Mapahi Ganapate Mahamate. Then we have Shyama Sastri. Himadri Sute Gari Sasa Himadri. All of them have got the same inspiration. Himadri Sute Pahimam Parade Paradevate Himadri Sute Pahi. Then he has a Swarakshara. Shyama Sastri. Pahi. Not that Shyama Sastri is always putting the Swarakshara, but it has come like that. I didn't notice, only now I noticed. Himadri Sute Pahi Mavarade Paradevate Himadri Sute Pahi Mavarade Sarinavare Parade Dari Paradevate Himadri. Adula vandu Neramal is like this. Shyamaka invariably Shyama Krishna Sodari. In Shyama Shastri songs, we get the Neramal in that portion. It's very nice. Shyama Krishna Sodari Gauri Parameshwari Girija. Shyama Krishna Sodari Gauri Parameshwari Girija. Shyama Krishna Sodari Gauri. The same Shyama Sastri. Another song, almost the same tune, but Adi Talam Krishna Nade. Listen to this. Birana Varalichi Brobu Monino Nerano Miti 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 Birana. This is Romba Layam. Shyama Sastri known for Layam. So even in the Sangati, see the Layam. அது ரொம்ப ஒரு லயமா Same way, when we do the Neramal also, we can do a lot of Laya aspects in this. See, Birana Varalichi. Shyama Krishna, இது வந்து கால இடத்துல வருது. Shyama Krishna, ரெண்டு தள்ளி. Shama Krishna Sodari Gauri Parameshwari Girija Shama Krishna Sodari Gauri. அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாம். Almost like a pallavi. And look at, we can do some kanathu like this. Sa ni re sa ni da ni da ni da ma ma pa pa da ni Shama Krishna. We can build up on that. 14. I'll just check it now. Yes. So we can take from here. It comes 3 14s. See. Takasati sami sani tisani dani sani tani da tida mama pada pada nida mabadani sa. See. Sa ni tisani the same 14. Takatakita takatakita takadim. Sa ni tisani dani da tida mama pa da Mabaradisa and the money build up money now panine. It came as an idea for me. I did it in I sang a beautiful program in Andhra. At that time I did it, and the person who played the mridangam also, he always used to accompany me, and he was praising me very, very much about that. I mean, in Shama Sastri we can do in everybody's, but Shama Sastri, the way it is constructed, like how he has constructed Sangatis also. And now we are only doing Kalyani today, otherwise I can tell other examples. So now we can go from Kritis. No, there is Papanasham Shivan. Where Sajja started in Sajja. Unnayallal Vedagathillayamma Ulagellam Indra Annai Unnayallal Vedagathillayamma Ulagellam Indra Annai Unnayallal a beautiful song by Shivan Ma. Then we have so many kritis. Then we have Javali. Yel tati puluke Yel tati puluke Iltivo Kalpuniki Pudel Tati Puluke Iltivo Kalpuniki Pudel Tati Puluke Iltivo Kalpuniki Pudel Tati Puluke Palka Mugala Paramojamuki Penaginan Duki Yeltati Puluke. That is a Javali. They are also starting in Gandhara. Gada Pamagari Sisa Gada Pamagari Sisa. Then there is a Padam that also starts in Gandhara. Idari Sanduna. Idari Sanduna Pavalchi Yulte. It goes like this. It will be slower than this. ஈதவி சல்குண பாவலில் சியுள்டே ஆயில்தி ரே ரே வீரா about 6 gamakas. அந்த மாதிரி பிரயோகம் இருக்கு பதத்துல. Then Bhadrachala Ramadasar, who was the major influence for Tyagaraja, Nanu Brobu Chepa, adu adhe madhirda. Apra Kataya Kataya Madhavam, again which was tuned by Sri Shammamuri Srinivasa Iyer. Taranga, Krishna Leela Tarangini. Kataya Kataya Madhavam Radhe Kathaya Kathaya Madhavam Radhe Kathaya Kathaya Radhe. Tell us, tell me, Radhe, hey Radhe. Even for that Shringara Bhavam, the Kalyani Ragam is so suitable. Bhakti Bhavam, Shringara Bhavam. It suits very well. It's a joyous Ragam. What about Ragam Tanam Pallavis? See, Kalyani is a major Ragam. If you apply the principle of Shankari, Shankara to Kal Hari Nata, all the music majors. I also did music major, Madras University. Shankara to Kal Hari Nata, it's all linked. Why are these ragas major ragas? They are linked. Shankara Bandham, Shankara. Rishabham takes Karara Priya. Gandharam Todi. Shankara to Kal. Madhyama. Kalyani. So all these ragas are Shankara to Kal Hari Nata. Hari Kamuji Natamai. That is why all these ragas have been major ragas. They are all interconnected. By the mode of shift of tone, tonal shift, Graha Bedam. It is said by Graha Bedam in those days, thousands and thousands of years ago, the sages found out about the connection of these ragas. Kalyani is also so suitable for Ragam Tanam Pallavi. The most common and very old Pallavis are in Kalyani. The beginner's Pallavis, it is not a beginner's Pallavi. It is a Aditalam Pallavi where we usually start. See, it is not an easy Pallavi, but it is one of the first Pallavis we all learn. Tarak Brahma Swarupini Tamarasa Vilojani Tarak Brahma Swarupini Tamarasa Vilojani. How's the Mekala? Tarak Brahma Swarupini Tamarasa Vilojani Tarak Brahma Swarupini Tamarasa Vilojani. Adhe madri Puldarishanam Kidai Kumo Nataraj Dayani. Very apt for Shivaratri, isn't it? Puldarishanam Kidaik Mo Nataraj Dayani Puldarishanam Kidaik Mo Nataraj. அது மாதிரி பாடலாம். And for Raga singing for Pallavi, we sing in 3 stages. Na, ga to pa. Then kadari la 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 pa to ni. Then kadari la da 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 di da na di da da. Those days, the Nadaswaram Vidvans, they built up the Raga Alapanas, which is acknowledged by all the vocalists, including Shamamudi Srinivasaya or G.N. Balasubramaniam or Alathur brothers or anybody who came afterwards also. My Guru M.L. Vasantakumari, all listening to the Nadaswaram in all the temple festivals. If they start Kalyani Ragam in the first Mada street, 4 Mada streets are there. First Gandharam, then until Panchamam, the next street they will go up. About 45 minutes Ga to Pa and also Mandrasthai. There is so much to say. There is so much to develop, especially in this Kalyani. For the evening, imagine in the night, the Nadaswaram playing the Kalyani. The flourishes la போடுவா Nadaswaram. ரொம்ப அழகா. They would have come to Panchamam. Then the Tamil will play a little bit. And then again, Panchamam, they start. அப்படி போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். I think now we have crossed the time now for the lecture demonstration. I just tell a brief Thanam also. How it is built up in the Kalyani. Thanam, dalam, datanam, datanam, datanam. Alam, dum, dum, dadanam, dadanam, dum, dadanam. In Trikalam they can sing. Tanam should have Gamakam also. My Guru MLV is an expert in Tanam. வியாசம் பண்ணலாம். எல்லா இடத்துலயும் வியாசம் பண்ணி பில்டப் பண்ணலாம் தானம். தென் like that we end with a flourish, Tanam. When we come to the Hindustani counterpart, we have Yaman. But Yaman actually is having Shuddha Madhyamam also. And before I finish, there are Janya Ragas of Kalyani, Mohanam, Mohana Kalyani, Hamid Kalyani, Yamuna Kalyani. for that, there is no time today. And once again, I thank the organization, this wonderful organization, Chinmaya Vidyapeeth and Srimati Prabhavati, and all for attending on this wonderful day of Shivaratri. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for such a wonderful session. And it was very interesting that within this short time period, you covered all musicians, approached by all composers, and how the raga is used in various musical, like raga labna, kriti, naraval, tanam, all those aspects were also covered. We are very much thankful to you. And there are some 2-3 queries. One I would like to ask regarding the Shyama Shastri Kriti, Tallini Nunera, which was composed in a different angle. Could you please explain a little bit about that?
Sure. See, Shyama Shastri is very expert in Layam, because we have that event, Bobili Keshavaya. He came from the Telugu region and he asked him for he contested, about the Pallavi. He challenged. And then Simhanandanam, Sharabanandanam. That is how it came. Simhanandanam he sang, and Shyama Shastri was very upset that night. He prostrated to Devi and he sang, Devi Brova Samayamite Ativegameva in one rare ragam, Chintamani. And then he got the idea of Sharabanandana Pallavi and he defeated Bobli Keshavaya. So he developed this Viloma Chapu. See, another song of the Dikshidhar. Bajare Chita. Niti Sala. Ore Madri Edupurku. For Dikshidhar and Tyagaraja. Yeah. Ipa Viloma Chapu. What is Viloma Chapu? Chapu is like this. But Shyama Shastri started here. Viloma. In Takademi he started. See. Kalli Nilnu Nere Namumi Nanu Vinave Kalli. Kalli Nilnu. Appdi. Once more I'll show. Kalli Nilnu Nere Kalli Ellamokkamula Anupalavi. Ellamokkamula. Apita constructed. It is constructed that way. You cannot sing in the ordinary chapu, it won't come. Viloma Chapu, our specialist. Nindu Vida Gamari also could be Kalyan.
See, another thing is that you explained about a unique phrase that is used in Padam, which is not why that phrase is not used in other musical forms, or it is a phrase peculiar for that Padam?
That Gamakama. Yeah. Many Gamakas is coming. Yeah. Kirti Pere Evira That is I learned it from the great Padam specialist Veena Dhanam's granddaughter, Srimati T. Brinda. She taught me in All India Radio, this Padam. She invited me. She told the people there, it happened like this. She was teaching this Padam to some students in the All India Radio lesson, Brindama. And it didn't come out properly. So she said, stop this recording. You phone up Charu. Ask her to come and sing. Ask her to come and learn the Padam from me. I have the recording. She taught me in the radio, this mother. So she was happy because why were they all happy with me? Only because I reproduce exactly. Kirti pere veera Same way, Chemmamudi Mama invited me to sing for the Krishna Leela Tarangini radio program. He said, all his students, only the outside student is Charu. There he taught Kathaya, Kathaya. And Chemmamudi Mama, now I can boast a little bit more. Chemmamudi Mama said, do you pick up everything so quickly? He asked me. Yes, Mama. Then he said, you give rehearsal for everybody. Same with DKP Amma. I had a scholarship with DKP, DK Patamal Amma from Music Academy to learn Dikshadhar Kritis. I went there. Then she taught me, Ganapate Magamate. I sang just like her. Then she said, always you are picking up exactly. Best girls, you are such a good student, Charu. I said, thank you, Amma. And same with DK Jayaraman sir. I went there to learn some kritis. Then DK Jayaraman would tell. You are learning everything exactly. Yeah, one song of DK Jayaraman, I can tell. Okay. Same thing I'll repeat. So DKJ sir will be happy. Of course, my guru, MLB Amma, always, she never praised me, but only to others she would praise. Charu was speaking up very well, and she allowed me. I'm the only disciple who sang on the stage with her, Ragam, Neraval Swaram, and Pallavi also. She never told anything. Just on the spot with my guru, I have been trained like that with MLB Akka because she felt I could do it. I did it, and the recordings are also there. Why I'm saying is because the students here, some students will be there, that Padantaram, proudly they are having the Padantaram, isn't it? It came some hundreds of years back, the Padantaram. Why should we spoil it and put some other Sangatis? That is always my theory, which I tell my students also. That is why all these people, they took me as a very model student. As a model student. Sometimes with my students, I am very strict. I will be angry with them. Don't change the Padantaram. Don't change the Padantaram. I keep telling them like a parrot, don't change the Padantaram. So now they know. Auntie will not accept. Any other questions?
Dr. Prashant G has asked, can Charu Amma demonstrate Kriti-wise examples of short raga elaboration?
What is that? I didn't understand. Can he speak?
Am I audible? Yeah. Am I audible now?
No, I didn't understand the question.
I think that part is already covered, actually. Demonstrate Kriti-wise examples of short elaboration. That is already done. Prashant,
okay, I can give one example. Okay. ராக ஆரம்பிக்கிற மாதிரி தானே இருக்கு அந்த பாட்டு. தமிழ்ல தள்ளி நின்னு நினைச்சுடுவா. தள்ளி நின்னு தள்ளினா தெலுங்குல அம்மா. தள்ளி அதேதான் ராகம். And another song is there. Birana Brovayide. Birana Brovayide Manchi Samyamva. Another rare Kruti. And also Nitisa Tadarila Nitisa Sukama. அதுல இதே எடுத்துக்கலாம். But you know what? Some of the violinists, they have been doing like this, which I don't like. When we sing a Raga Alapna, when we leave the Alapna, we don't sing the phrases exactly, isn't it? Then the violin will play like this. As if they have done a very great service. It's not nice. It is a joke, actually. It happens. Some of the violinists are doing like that, but personally, I'm not for that. I'm not for that style. Taking that phrase itself, and if it comes like that, it will come. We have to sit and analyze.